Okay, tell me if I'm onto something. You work at a job that you don't love. I'm not saying you hate it, but like maybe you don't love it. And you just want to see if you can try something on your own. Or maybe you want to know what it feels like to build something from the ground up with your vision and your own touch and your own spin on it. Well, you've come to the right place because I'm about to tell you some underrated, really effective ways that you can use Shopify so that you can build a business on your own terms with your own vision and your own values and start making your own money. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Learn with Shopify. My name is Michelle Bally, and let's get into the first way. Very popular. Okay, guys, this first method is called dropshipping. So with this type of e-commerce store, you don't keep any inventory. All you do is partner with a dropshipping supplier who manages your inventory and your fulfillment and all that. And then as far as building out your store, you can do it in a few clicks and you can get your store up and running really, really fast. And some do it in less than a day, which is crazy. Where are all my tech people? So if you're like, nah, I'm not trying to really build a store right now, it's a lot of work, but I do have a vision for a Shopify app or a Shopify theme, then that is 100% something that could be super lucrative for you. So if you've got an app idea you think will change the game for Shopify business owners, or you've got design chops, you can actually try your hand at building a theme. I'll leave a link for you guys in the description box if you do want to learn more on this, because Shopify does have some of the best apps and the best themes in the game. Okay, it is no joke. So that being said, you will need the technical skills to create a well-coded, secure, and user-friendly app or theme. But yeah, guys, for those who have the know-how, leveraging your skills as a Shopify expert could be the move for you. Okay, let's talk about being a Shopify affiliate just for one sec. So if you are a content creator or a course educator or an influencer and you put your network onto Shopify, you can use an affiliate link to start earning commission. But to apply, you must own and run an active website, have an established audience, and create original content. And guys, it's crazy because you can earn 20% commission. So that's not bad. And in the same breath, I'm gonna say that if you have already somewhat of an audience on social media and maybe you're an influencer, you know what I mean? You can monetize that audience and use Shopify as a place to sell goods and services. But what I will say is even if you're not an influencer, you never know what you can achieve. I feel like I have said this before in a previous video, but at a company that I was working for, we literally had celebrities that could not sell half as many products as this one girl. She only had like 5,000 followers on Instagram. So you never know. And yeah, that was kind of a 2-for-1 there. We have affiliates and influencing, and yeah, there you have it. But like, I get it. Not all of us are trying to be influencers, you know what I mean? So this next tip is going to be for you. Okay, so you've heard of flipping homes, yeah? But what about flipping Shopify stores? So if the idea of starting your own business from the ground up is like a little intense, but you fancy yourself a business person, like maybe you've got an eye for what converts, then I feel like this is gonna be the perfect moneymaker for you. And you guys are probably thinking like, okay, Michelle, like what does flipping Shopify stores mean? Basically, it means that you're buying an established online store, optimizing it, improving it, and then reselling it. So try the marketplace Empire Flippers. I have personally never used it, but word on the street is that it could be a good vibe to start with. Okay, quick pause. If you're finding this video helpful so far, feel free to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any more videos on how you can build your dream e-commerce business. But now, back to the good stuff. Who likes making a lot of money, but not having to work too hard? Most of us probably. This one's gonna be for you guys. This is called print on demand. Kind of like drop shipping because you don't have to worry about holding inventory or shipping logistics. But with this, you're printing designs onto things and selling them. So like mugs, t-shirts, dog tags. Highly competitive though, guys, I will say that. So definitely make sure that if you are starting with this business, that you're finding a nice little angle and a nice little niche. If you already have a business and you're watching this next tip is gonna be for you. So if you're selling products in real life and you're not selling online, it is 2023, sir. No excuses. Guys, get online, start reaching a global audience. And this doesn't have to be reserved for people that are selling physical goods. If you are a local therapist or maybe like a music teacher, for example, you can sell packages for your services. Next topic. So next topic is physical products, but you're like, Michelle, what do I sell? You can sell your soul. Oh my God, imagine? No. But speaking of soul, if you're selling a physical product, you should be selling something that does speak to your soul and your passions. So let me put you on. Handmade goods. Guys, nothing says passion and soul more than handmade goods. And the best part of it is that you don't have to pay anyone to make a product. You know, you're gonna be doing that yourself, and that is gonna mean more money in your pocket. We got pottery, we got jewelry, we got art, handmade clothes, right? Food, Christmas decorations. That's a good one. I will never forget the craze that went on during the pandemic. It was nuts. These girls were making these press-on nails and customizing them, and I am telling you, they were like, it was a work of art. So like, think big, think outside the box, think about what product works in the state of the world as you're currently watching this, and that should help you create a product that is truly needed. Oh guys, and look how cute these themes are. So let's say you did want to go the handmade route. You can build a really cool brand with any of these themes. If you're interested in these themes, feel free to browse them at themes.shopify.com. Okay, come real close. I want to tell you something real quick. Vintage and antique items. So I don't know about you guys, but currently on my feed for the past several years at least, Turkish antique handmade vases have made an insane center stage appearance. It's remarkable. And the girls are going crazy for it. So Olive Atelier, they're, an example of a brand that's doing this. They have hundreds, if not thousands, of Moroccan, Turkish, Indian, vintage household goods. They are truly a sensation on Instagram. And I think that what made them even more popular is that their products were not always readily available. They had very specific dates for product drops. So if you're thinking of selling vintage or antique items, I should mention it doesn't actually have to be home goods. It can be clothes, it can be books. But a really awesome angle is to do what Olive Atelier did and make your vintage one-of-a-kind pieces even more inaccessible with specific drops so that you will have the folks flocking. By the way, guys, if you have a Shopify store, drop me your Instagram handle. Drop it in the comment section down below and make sure that your Instagram is linked to your Shopify store. That way I can take a peek, and on a future video, yours could be chosen for a live kind of like critique. So if you want helpful tips about your store specifically, then drop your Instagram handle in the comment section below. And if you don't have a store just yet, come back to this video when you do and drop your Instagram handle at that point. You can like this video or you can save it or whatever you gotta do to remind you to do that in the future. But also guys, I cannot get over the wellness category being a $1 trillion industry. Of the wellness pie, appearance-related products tend to do well. So think like beauty and skincare and fitness and that kind of a thing. And the products that do well are vitamins, cleansers, face oils, and body scrubs. You can also get into a smaller niche for non-appearance related goods and services like sleep, mental health, nutrition, mindfulness. The beauty industry is saturated, so going this route could be good for you if you're not trying to be up against the L'Oreals of the world. Which actually leads me to my next point, and that is how you can make money on Shopify selling men's grooming products. So if you want to join the ranks of brands like Beard Brand, Beard and Blade, and Dr. Squatch, good call, because men's grooming is a growing industry that is showing no signs of slowing down. You could offer a variety of products from beard oils and shaving creams to cleansers and deodorants and everything in between. Guys, you remember Dollar Shave Club? Their viral ad has 30 million views and counting. People are still watching and commenting on their video. So fun. So if you want to build a Shopify store after all this, you can learn how to do it in under an hour with this video right here. And if you already have a Shopify store, but maybe you're just like not making the sales that you want, then check out this video right here. I think they're going to be here. If I'm pointing to the ether, then just know, I don't know where they're going to be on screen. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been so fun. My name is Michelle Bally. I'm so happy to be here with you guys every single week. And I'm so happy that our community has just been like growing and growing. So feel free to subscribe and join the fam, and I will see you guys in the next one.